Hey y'all, it's Sabria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do a middle part quick weave. And so I'm just going to start off by pouring out my leave out. So when I just tried to put the hair over the comb, basically that's a trick to see if you have enough leave out. If I was able to see that silver piece of the comb, I was going to pour out a little bit more hair. But now I have the perfect amount of leave out, and I'm just going to start braiding it away. So now we're going to get into my molding process. I don't like to braid my hair down because I feel like it's pointless, because you can still get a super flat install, and if not flatter, with molding. So now I'm just going to pour my hair into two sections and start braiding it down. And I don't do my molds like this on my clients. I don't do small braids. I still mold my clients, but not exactly like this. But this is something that's easier for me to do on myself. So yeah, now I'm just going to start sewing those braids up. I don't knot my thread when I'm done sewing, but the sewing just helps my foundation be flatter and more secure. Now I'm going to apply my cap and cut out those ear tabs so my cap is as close to my head as possible. And then I'm going to apply my Robin's Diamonds Protective Shield and sit under the dryer for like 15 minutes. I do like to also go in with a layer of Got2b glue spray just to give an extra layer of protection between the glue and my real hair. We are using Wig Dealer's Indian curly bundles today, and I am using a 30-inch, a 28-inch, a 26-inch, and a 24-inch. So I did apply my first track and blow dry that down, and then I start to cut off my cap, because I feel like sometimes when you don't lay that track down before cutting your cap kind of lifts easier in the back over time. So now I'm just going to let you all watch me lay my tracks. I usually lay about 3 to 4 tracks going towards my face, and the rest in a more U shape. And I did leave out the perimeter of my hair because I wanted this to be able to flip as well as where in the middle part. I usually don't leave that much edges out. I have used Wig Dealer's Indian curly hair before. I'm going to have that video pop up in just a second, so you guys can go watch that tutorial. And I did love the outcome of that look, but this time we're going to leave the hair in its natural state. It's super, super cute, right? So now we're just going to get into blending this sleeve out. I just love curly hair. This look was so easy to accomplish, and it was so cute and natural looking. So I'm just kind of pointing out my baby hairs. I did have to do those off camera because I ended up running out of storage. Don't worry, y'all, I'm getting me a camera soon. And if you guys have any recommendations, please leave that down in the comments, because that's really what has taken me so long. I don't know what camera to decide on. But yeah, so to blend my leave out, I'm just really crimping this hair because, as you guys could see, the curl pattern was really, really loose. So I didn't necessarily have to wind my hair. Crimping it made it blend. And this is the finished product. I really, really love how this turned out. It was so quick and easy. I get a lot of comments about you guys trying your own quick weaves, and practice makes perfect. I've been doing my own hair since I was in high school. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.